Good morning, class 10. Children, till now we have done in maths quadratic equations, where you find the solutions of quadratic equations by method of factorization, and also we have done where you find the solution or roots of quadratic equation using a formula. Clear? And the formula that you used was this. Correct? The formula that you were using was this. If your equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then you can find the value of x as x will be equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Correct? I taught you that you can find the value of x or the roots of this equation, quadratic equation, or the solution of this quadratic equation directly by using this formula. X is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Correct? Now b square minus 4ac what is it called? It is called a discriminant. We call it a discriminant. We also denote it by D, capital D. Okay. Now there are certain rules or not laws that apply to this formula. Okay. You can see here that square root, the portion square root is b square minus 4ac. Now this can be positive also, this can be negative also, and this can be equal to 0 also. Clear? So if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, that means if this is positive, it does not matter if it is rational or irrational. But if this is positive, we have real and distinct roots. If it is positive, then the roots of this equation are two distinct roots, and they are real. That means they are real numbers also. Clear? So if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then we have real and distinct roots. Clear? Second rule is, if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, here it was greater than 0, if it is equal to 0, we have real and equal roots. Okay? If this is 0, that means this part is 0, and we have only one root, that is b minus b upon 2a. Correct? Okay? This part becomes 0, then we have only one root, that is minus b upon 2a. So that means if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, we have real and equal roots. The roots are equal also, or we have both the values of x will be same. Clear? Now the third point is, if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, that means b square is less than 4ac. Only in that case this will be negative. Less than 0 means negative. So this becomes negative when b square is less than 4ac. If this is negative, then we do not have any real roots. Okay? Clear? In this situation, this is the situation when we do not have any real roots. That means roots of this quadratic equation cannot be found. Clear? If it is more than 0, then we have real and distinct roots. Both the values of x will be real and distinct, different. Okay. Now if this is equal to 0, then we have real and equal roots. Okay. But if it is less than 0, we do not have any real roots. Okay. Say for example, question 2. I'll do the examples in the next video. Okay.